showers were located along a line extending from near Chowpan River to near Tall Timbers, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing or swamping their vessel. Locations impacted include Chowpan River, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, and Drum Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special marine warning remains